pizza? Have you ever heard those two words together? Anything that has the word pizza in it draws my attention. You probably heard about pho, their super famous noodle dish, or even banh mi, their ultra famous sandwiches. But Vietnamese pizza? It has been around for 9 or 10 years. The base is a round rice paper covered in egg, scallions, dried shrimp, cheese, meat, spicy sauce, mayonnaise, and all of that goodness folded like a quesadilla. It's crunchy, it's spicy, it's savory, it's tasty, it's a bomb. For this recipe, I will need to put on my special t-shirt. No thick dough, just a simple, thin, round rice paper sheet. You will need 1 chicken egg, Satay paste or chili paste, and a whole bunch of scallions. Crack that egg and add 1 teaspoon of Satay paste. Beat that mix, and finally add 3 tablespoons of scallions. This will make the base of our pizza, and on top of this, no limits. But let me show you some of the more traditional or usual toppings. Minced pork meat or pork floss, dried tiny shrimps, you can find these frozen in many Asian supermarkets. Sausage, cheese, fried shallots or fried onions, sriracha sauce, and mayonnaise. Personally, I use Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise because I'm addicted. Get your egg base ready and put the rice paper sheet in a pan. This is very important. Turn the heat on low and pour the egg mix over the rice paper. Spread the mix all over, reaching the edges. We want the egg mix to cook evenly, and very important, avoiding the rice paper from burning. Traditionally, Vietnamese pizza is cooked on a charcoal grill, but that might be a more advanced street food vendor level, so today let's keep it simple. After 3 minutes or so, add the cheese. Press it down with the help of the back of a spoon. It will slowly melt in with the egg. Now let's add the rest of the toppings. Check now and then the color of the rice paper sheet. It should by now have like this golden brown color. Yeah, it's ready. That is the sign you need to finish up with the sriracha and mayonnaise. Swirl as much as you like. For the authentic version, fold it like a quesadilla to eat by hand. But for a fancier version, just keep it round like a pizza and use scissors to cut into slices. Both ways are equally delicious. My tip: eat immediately, otherwise it will turn soggy. You can easily make this at home with any toppings you have in hand. No limits. It's a perfect quick snack. Full recipe in the description box below in English and Spanish. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and see you in my next video.